Welcome back, everyone. We know it's been quite some time since we uploaded a new video, and we are very sorry about that. So in today's video and in the next few videos, I am going to be 3D modeling with you guys, and a scene that I was very excited to show you and teach you how to model it. So first, of course, open Blender. I'll be using today 3.5 alpha, and they just released it today morning. So this is the scene we're going to be modeling. So it's food on a barrel. I got this idea I got this idea on 27 March 2021. So it's been more than a year. So it took me some time, and at first I had an idea of making a barrel, and then I decided to put a cloth and some more stuff on it, like bread and some milk. So in this videos and 3D in this next videos, I'll be showing you how to model this barrel and some cloth animation and how to use it, and of course more modeling and some texturing and adding some materials, and of course we will be animating this cloth to fall on that bread box. So I hope you will enjoy this series. I'll be uploading a video today, hopefully. So stay tuned, and thank you for your patience. So I have created this jar today in the morning before I start recording, because the previous one was like modern. If I show you, it was very old. So at first I made this bottle, but after that I guess I didn't save that. But basically it was like one of these milk cartons, and if you imagine it, it was like modern in old style, like everything is old, but the milk carton was new, like modern. So I changed that and added this glass jar, which I will put all the references in the description below, hopefully, if I remember. So I will be uploading the first tutorial today again, just like I said before. So don't miss it out, and be sure to model this, because I'll be also talking about lightning. So in this scene I used 4 lights, sun. So we have blue, orange, red, and yellow. So most of them are like the main colors to add, and even if I go to the camera, you can see the reflection of it on the barrel. But if you want, you can just do like this. And for some reason, this toast over here is looking more toastier than the other ones for some reason. So I'll be showing some rendered images I rendered a few minutes ago before I record, so that I could show you the end result more in detail. So hopefully you will like it. And yeah, that's it for the intro of this 3D modeling playlist. I hope you will enjoy it and model it with me, and see you in the next video. Bye!